challenge is to try a new whole grain option.
Yes, so whole grains are great for a lot of reasons. They've got a lot of extra fiber, protein, vitamins, minerals. Lots of really good things come with whole grains.
And we've got lots of ideas on our website for recipes that use whole grains really in their whole form. So that could be everything from trying farro to quinoa to even bulgur.
Yes, so you can get a lot of these in the aisles, but you can also get them in bulk too from our natural and organic department.
Yes.
Which is really great because then you can just get the amount you want, and they also come with cooking instructions on the label.
Yes, and when we're talking more convenient options, we've got frozen options. So this is a frozen brown rice. You just steam it right in your microwave. And then even in our natural organic department, we have little meals, quick meals that have either farro or quinoa, and it's really a meal in one.
Yeah, so try a new whole grain. Good luck, have fun, and we'll see you next week.